Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this awesome debate. My name is Kylie Boucher, and I will be talking to you today on the positives of DDT. Yes, I will be defending the chemical. I do apologize for you guys having to come here in such bad weather, but hopefully it does turn out to be better. And yeah, uh, let me begin. So I would like to first I would like I would first of all like to just give you a little insight on what DTT stands for, what it kind of is, and when it was created, and why I'm for it, and why you guys should be for it as well. So DTT, otherwise known as I've practiced this word multiple times. Dichloro trichloroethane. Probably butchered that, but so it was actually developed all the way back in the 1940s, and its first intended purpose was actually to help combat malaria, which had a massive outbreak in the 1940s, like during the World War and stuff. So like, yeah, and also typhus and other like insect-borne diseases that were both happening on like or among military and also like civilian side. So it actually did its job if you look at it. In the 1940s, cases were around 400,000. And in 1950, only 4 years later, there was almost none. So let me go with that. Thank it to this job. Um, Now, there are a lot of people who will say, like, oh, DDT is bad. We shouldn't have it. This is terrible. You know what it does for us, like the environment, everything. Like, so it wouldn't be right of me to not tell you, like, some of the harmful effects it does have, because I feel like that wouldn't be right for me. So, like, DDT has been reported to, when exposed to high amounts of it, possibly vomit, have tremors, and possibly have seizures. And also, scientific research have shown that it can have some effects on the liver and also reproduction. So there is a downside to it. But I see and understand these are bad things. I believe that through research and hard work that we can actually work together to find a solution that can be less toxic for us and the environment and still be able to have the same effect as it would all by itself. So, do I believe that DDT is effective? 100% I do. Do I believe it is terrible for the environment and us? For sure. But I know that using it can keep insects away from our crops, and that's something that our crops are very important to us, and that's how we're going to be able to keep on living the way that we're going to be able to live and have a lot more longevity. So I see it as a necessity in some cases. But also, what I see mostly is an opportunity for us to, through through research and science and dedication, for us to possibly see a way for us to get healthy and safer while being able to keep our valuables safe, plants, and Mother Nature. I hope you like my debate. Thank you for coming. Have a wonderful day.